Good night, my friends. I am here. White pictures of my wife. Holding up my wife, showing the love. I'm just here doing this video for one of my friends that say asking me how I meet my lovely wife. Look at this beautiful smile, smiling from above. It's given to me by God. This beautiful angel. Her smile and my smile shining, sparkling bright. So I am here. One of my viewers asked me how did I meet my wife, but I'm not going to disclose that beautiful information. But I was on a site and I was running through that site, Then I was looking, I'm just going to be real, I'm not going to say a lot of pretty girls and beautiful ladies is on any site. You understand? Facebook, all those sites. But when the first time I lay my eyes on this beautiful lady, it was not the beauty that caught my eyes, And even if she were here with me doing this video right now, she would testify with that when I first started to talk to her. I look at this lady photos the first time, and there was something special with this lady. There was something special that I could not figure out myself. You understand? When I come off our pictures and move on, I could not move on. I have to go back and look back at that photo. I looked on a photo over to 20 times and could not picture what I see the first time when I just go on our photos and look. Even the moment when I text her, that first moment I text her, I didn't even write her a poem. I didn't even say, hey, beautiful. I didn't even say, hey, sexy. Oh, those words that every man would say to a beautiful lady. Oh, the sweetest thing ever. Can you believe what I said to her? Guess what I said to her, my fans. You can email and say it in the box what you think that I say, but I'm going to tell you the word that I said out of my mouth. It's a 2-letter word. And you know what a 2-letter word is? H-I. Hi. That's the only thing I said. I did not say anything more. You understand? So, when she replied that, she never replied that the same day or the next day or the next day. I just have my phone 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I just see something said hi. I was so excited that night when I see that things coming. And that night when I started talking to her, she told me that when she was feeling idle and she go back in her inbox and she see over 100 I had messages, and she told me that out of the 100 I had messages, she only answered my text, said hi. Can you believe that? And when I started talking to her, she was all about, why did you text me? Why? I said, I don't know why. There is something about you that is so special that I cannot even. And she said, it's my beauty or what? I said, it's not about your beauty. It's not. There is something about you that attracted me. I said, I think it's God push me to you. I think it is God propel me to you. I said, I don't know. I said, I'm going to tell you the truth from my heart. I don't know. And I talk to this lady every day. It was not easy. It was not easy. Fighting for her. Sweat, tears, cries. You understand? And a lot of people see the shine and the glory and the beauty. But when this was started, it was something that I fight for. I'm just doing this video because of my fans asking me, question and how I meet her. And, I don't have to tell you the direct side that I go on, because sometimes you have your phone and some little ads pop up on your phone, and when you are here, you just bored and you said you're going to try something, but thanks God. Thanks to God. From I meet this lady, from I know her, you can ask her in the email. You can text her and ask her. She would make a video and testify for what I'm saying is true. I'm just being real to myself and my wife and my friends. Guys, I respect all your comments, the good ones, the art. Some of these comments make me cry. Some of these comments make me want to do better than what I'm doing. Some of these comments make me push harder. Some of these comments make me be the man I'm supposed to be. Some of these comments make my mom proud. She passed away, but she's smiling. All the bad comments, all the comments that saying this and that, I don't care if it's bad, or if you want to say this or you want to say that. I still respect all email and comment. And I love you guys. And I respect all your comments. And all the good ones I will work on and push harder. And listen, bigger days is gonna come that you're gonna see the real beauty. I'm gonna make my fans cry. You're gonna cry. The first time I meet my fiancé,
extended from 20.
Oh my God. Listen.
There's a lot of distance to the cover, so no need to worry.
Listen.
I'm not necessarily in support of this rule for the older
Do you
guys.
see those
I wish they had
smiles?
the same rule for the older rule for these guys and the
It's the one in a million smile.
If you look at the exchange, you actually did peak early. Taylor had to fight up a bit. They look really close.
Beautiful.
Extended exchange, or they're still running
Beautiful.
knowing Taylor's speed, he would have had
I love my wife.
But there was no need for that because even if he was to run from Taylor, all Taylor had to do was to wait until
Understand?
the distance was appropriate to hand over the ball.
So a lot of times the outgoing runner is accelerating.
So,
You know what?
I respect all my fans and all the emails.
He knows the Taylor's
You know,
speed. He does say there's no Taylor to run up in this back. Even the way, but I
I'm
think
doing
he
this
needs to speed this guy because Taylor wasn't going full throttle. 39.49 for
for
qualifying.
we,
Ticket that the only guaranteed qualifying
me,
sheet is the
my
winner.
wife,
Then we
my
can see
fans,
they
my
advance
viewers,
points
all who email.
41.44.
We can all change the world together.
The follow-up
I love each other.
should make sure
You know, we all know we have a bad sides,
and really make
but
sure
when you know your partner and you know the things to do, you understand? But what matters, when you know you love your partner, when something happens and you still here, you still with her. Big up on my fans. Jamaica, love.
Just because you're active, it doesn't
Blessed,
mean that sugar
enough
brings
respect.
undue damage to you and your
Love you
children.
guys.
Sugar drinks
Peace
are
out.
a big reason for the obesity crisis in Jamaica.